If you want to crop your video circle like this, continue watching this video. I'm gonna show you how to do this in Premiere Pro. Now we are in Adobe Premiere Pro and we want to circle crop this video. First of all, choose the video from here, click on it and go to Effect tab and type circle here and click on Effect Control. Add the circle effect on the video. Okay, done. After that, in the circle effect, change the blending mode to Essential Alpha and you can increase the radius to make it proper. Okay. After that, you can change the position of the video. Okay, the video is ready to use.